Hey, what's up? I'm someone, and this is someone else. And this is Tech I Want.
So we're back with Tech I Want. Guys, please give us a big like if you think that we're doing awesome. Is that how that goes?
Subscribe, hit that bell. I think there's a little bell down there.
We are extremely needy and we want to get this all out of the way. Make sure that you do it up front and then we'll get on to the content.
Today we're talking a little bit about tools. Tools,
Yeah.
one tool in particular.
Yes. The MetMo Grip. It's pretty cool. They've taken this old idea, which is the spanner or the wrench, depending on what part of the world you're in, and they've added a bunch of fancy stuff, including a bottle opener.
Let's have a look at the MetMo Grip. We got it.
Nice.
Handle with care. Very satisfying.
So I like at the beginning, let's just say that the packaging is very austere. I like how simple this is. There's no frills. It is just a cardboard box.
There we go.
There you go. Force it.
Ooh, it's heavy.
That does sound heavy.
Oh, very simple. No instructions this time.
Okay.
Oh, but it's got some heft.
Which is a good sign, I guess. It doesn't need instructions. It should be pretty self-explanatory. This
is the MetMo Grip. And if you're thinking, what is this? It's the MetMo Grip.
That looks pretty sweet, though. Can I get my hands on it? So, right away, it's got a good heft to it. It's a little bit heavy.
It's crazy heavy. Like, I was looking at the pictures of it before, and I was thinking it would weigh maybe like a phone.
Yeah.
Weigh as much as a phone, but no, this weighs, how much does it weigh? Like two phones.
It's got a good heft to it, I'd say that. But when I'm thinking about a wrench, I don't know, I guess I'm thinking about a plumbing wrench or something. This is very tiny in comparison.
But what is it? How does it work? Ooh, that's simple. Picture all those spanners that you needed to spin that little thing to get it all the way open. This is just one simple move.
Yeah. And I guess that's what the unique feature of this one was, what they rummaged through the patent bin finding, is that system right there, where instead of rolling a dial, let's say, I don't know what they call it, a cog.
It's kind of a piece of crap. Somebody gave this thing to me. It's made in Korea or something, Omega.
And adjusting the height of or size of the wrench.
I can do this all day.
Yeah. Now you have some fun, some playful fun in the satisfaction zone.
Yeah, this is the satisfaction zone. It's very satisfying.
And we didn't come up with that. That's not our terminology. Take a look at their page and you'll see there is the official satisfaction zone, as well as the nut clamp. And I think these guys had a blast naming this tool.
Yeah. Which part's the nut clamp?
I'm assuming it's this part right here.
Where you don't want to clamp your nuts. Okay, it's a little bit stiffer than they showed on their video. It does get stuck at times, but it's still way easier than your regular spanner.
And that's what, stainless steel it looks like?
Yep.
Except
Do you want to try and stain it?
Except for this part right here, it's kind of weird. These little plastic pieces. I don't know.
That's probably the first bit that's gonna break.
Yeah. This is actually a fidget toy. It comes with all these little extra features, which I guess are supposed to be kind of satisfactory, such as the noise. It's got that smooth glide that goes to it. I don't know if you can hear it. I'll shut up and let you hear it for a second.
Yeah, good stuff. How do you feel emotionally about this?
I like it. I think it's very cool. You know, when I'm first looking at it, I think it's very practical. I love the fact that there's multiple different tools in there in just this one piece. The only thing I'm thinking is that I know that they advertise there's a hammer there as well. And I guess that's what you see when it's closed in right here. You have this kind of hammer.
Or this side.
You think it's that side?
Yeah, I mean everything's a hammer, no? If you want to hit something.
I guess.
If you have nails, everything's a hammer.
Best.
Because this is a multi-tool, we figured we need to put it to the test. And what better way to do this than to try to act out the Kickstarter main video.
Thank you.
Okay, so I have my wrench, I have my hammer, and Rafi has his MetMo Grip. Now let's put it to the test. Producer man, give us a countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
It's gonna be easy. Simple little flick of the thumb and I'm there already. Shoot, wait, I think I'm tightening it.
Can we do it by hand?
This is not working. Yeah, I think hands are allowed, right? Because this is what I would do in a real life situation.
Yeah, that's
right?
what you do with the satisfaction zone.
I gotta say, it moves easily, but it's not. It's a little weird because when I hold it like this, my hand kind of gets in the way of this piece right here. So I gotta be really cognizant of that as I move it up and down with my thumb. There we go. But I think I'm still flying through compared to you.
That's me. Show. You didn't do a great job of tightening these.
There you go. I got one more left.
Oh, are you doing the
bolts.
bottom ones as well?
Yeah.
And I thought, oh, there we go.
Okay, so now what do we do with these ones? Take them out?
Yeah. I'm assuming.
Is that practice? Is that what people do? Okay. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, right?
Tighty whitey.
Pretty smooth. One of the nice things is that once I've got it adjusted to the right size, it doesn't really move around very much. It sticks to where it's supposed to be.
Oh, this one's in tight.
There it goes.
Which way are you going for this?
Taking it out.
Am I meant to lose? I'm out.
Dude. Oh, corrupt.
I guess nothing beats real tools. But I won't be fidgeting much with my spanner.
This could just be user error.
I don't think any of us are very good at using tools.
Oh, you are going to do the second one. All
Yeah,
right.
I figured why not?
Yeah.
Until you finish with them. Trying to get your one of them out. I'm gonna screw this one in as well.
Shoot. All right, that's that one. Okay, maybe if I did it, approach this a different way.
Are you trying to get it in or out?
I don't know, dude. I'm trying to get it out, but I don't know what I'm doing, though.
Oh, let's not poke a hole in the table. And now what am I meant to do? Hammer in some nails?
Yep.
Actually, wait. Let's use the actual hammer for this.
With the normal...
Sorry, I can't hear you over my success. Fuck it. Oh, I can't say fuck it on TV, can I?
We can bleep that out.
Good stuff.
I still want to just crack open this beer, though, just because I got the bottle
you
opener
go
here.
for it. I guess nothing beats old school tools, but in a pinch, oh, mine doesn't do that.
That's smooth. That's worth it right there.
Cheers, enjoy it. So at the end of the day, it is a fidget toy.
Can
It's
I just
not
say
an
what-
actual tool, no.
Yeah.
So obviously real tools are gonna win, but I'm not gonna sit around fidgeting with real tools.
But at the same time, I mean, I agree and I disagree at the same time. It is a fidget tool, but I just think that's one aspect of it. It is still a tool, right? So it does have all the functionality. I was able to hammer things. I was able to screw things and open up beer bottles. The one thing is, I don't know if it can totally replace all my other tools. It was still very useful, came in handy, especially for smaller projects. I can imagine using this a lot, having it on hand.
And I mean, I guess having one tool around that can do it all is better than having a big ass toolbox.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's get this cleared up and we'll let you know our conclusions about MetMo. I wouldn't buy it specifically as a box opener, but it'll do the job in a pinch.
And speaking of buying it, how much would something like this set you back?
Right now on Indiegogo, it costs $130.
$130?
Yeah.
And I saw that there's also a 24 karat gold version, plated gold.
Which is $400, if that's your jam. Which I guess is going back to the fidget toy aspect of it, to have it lying around. I don't think you're doing any jobs around the house with a 24 karat gold
Yeah,
tool.
totally, man. I would feel afraid to touch anything with that, you know?
You put that on display in a box that you can't open unless you have another MetMo. But yeah, they had a pretty successful Kickstarter campaign. Now they've moved on to Indiegogo. So they had just over 3,000 backers on Kickstarter and raised almost 400,000 pounds. And now they're on Indiegogo, where they've already passed 3,400 backers
Nice.
and crossed the 400,000 pound mark. Do you like the MetMo Grip? Are you ready to pay $130 for this fidget toy, spanner, hammer, wrench?
Or a few hundred more if you want to get a solid gold one.
Yeah.
Or no, gold plated, sorry. Yeah, let us know. Put it in the comments. Give us a big like if you like what we're doing. And until next time, that was Tech I Want. And we're out. I'm not going to say my name.
Say my name, say my name.